networking is the future of smart homes. Home broadband services are on the cusp of change and mesh networking is needed to push the industry forward, according to Qualcomm. Research firm Gartner predicts that 8.4 billion connected things will be in use in 2017, up 31% from 2016. Following from this GMSA report the impact of the Internet of Things, the connected homes suggests that up to 50 connected or Internet of Things (IoT) devices will be in use in the average connected home by 2020. Smart home guide from connected light bulbs to plant sensors to smart locks and beyond, smart home tech is growing and evolving rapidly. Here you'll find the latest product reviews, news, and how-tos to help you connect your surroundings to the internet in the smartest way possible. Read more. While this number may seem high, we now have everything available to us from Wi-Fi connected television sets to mobile devices, smart fridges, connected lighting, Wi-Fi based security systems and more. It will not just be the most obvious IoT applications that will enter the home, no doubt, but subtle appliances and products which are designed to make life more convenient. With this increase in connectivity, however, comes the need to be able to provide an infrastructure capable of supporting different data streams and multiple devices. Comcast, how AI, machine learning, DevOps, and a bit of hardware may make it a smart home platform according to Qualcomm's Wi-Fi router consumer survey. Out of 1,500 respondents from the UK, France, and Germany this year, 50% of those surveyed said they use a device in 3 different rooms simultaneously. Today, home broadband networks sometimes find themselves creaking under the weight of such mobile, IoT, and connected devices. Information streams can become confused, bottlenecks occur, and ISP throttling can cause too much strain for efficiency or reliability. In the UK, for example, basic and rather limited routers are issued to new telecom subscribers, and attempting to change to better quality equipment can be a time-consuming process for the average consumer. You might pay for top speeds and reliability, but with cheap router equipment, only so much spectrum being available, and a broadband infrastructure which has not received enough investment over the years, home networks do not always live up to the same standards we've come to expect from cellular services. To make things worse, IoT and connected devices have created a fragmented industry. There are a number of different ecosystems now in play, whether they be Android-based, Bluetooth-only, Apple HomeKit devices or vendor-specific, such as Philips, Samsung, and others, and the more disparate, the more complex setup a compatible home network can become. This is where mesh networking comes in, according to Qualcomm's Rahul Patel, SVP and GM of the firm's connectivity business unit, who believes mesh technologies can provide a new foundation for IoT in the home. Not only could mesh Wi-Fi fill a home with the same level of connectivity, but such systems could also be set to automatically fix connectivity issues as they arise, centralize the control of data, media, and IoT devices, and also provide opportunities for managed connected device services and data analytics. According to the executive, despite such systems being more costly to implement, consumers are now saying that they cannot compromise on Wi-Fi in the same way they cannot compromise on water and other basic needs. Patel says that the shift towards mesh Wi-Fi is occurring in both the US and Europe, but internet service providers, ISPs, may need a little more convincing to invest in the technology. Qualcomm's mesh technologies, including Wi-Fi Sun, are already used by vendors including Eero, Google Wi-Fi, TP-Link, Luma, and Netgear. With a focus on IEEE 800 2.11x, the US chip giant has created a 12-stream platform powered by a quad-core 14 FinFET CMOS processor on 64-bit architecture. The executive says that development is already in play to use the platform, and mesh will be the next big thing for the Wi-Fi industry, with products expected to appear in the market based on Qualcomm technologies in the second half of 2018. According to Patel, mesh-based products were scuppered when customers found that 8-stream technologies became barbecue pits unable to regulate their own power dissipation and as they required fans to cool and were generally unreliable, they were not suitable for many in the enterprise. However, this became a motivation for Qualcomm to do better. The latest, revised 12-stream designs can be powered by simple Ethernet cabling, and the company hopes this will entice ISPs and other vendors to adopt mesh networking technologies. The adoption of